Would you like a taste? Mastering questions about food and drink in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our video series focused on conversational English. Today, we're going to be looking at how to use "would you like" in questions, specifically when we're talking about food and drink. Before we delve into food and drink, let's get a grip on the phrase, "would you like?" It's a very polite way to offer something to someone or to ask if someone wants something. It's a step up in politeness from simply asking, "Do you want?" Example, "Would you like some tea?" When it comes to offering food, "would you like" is a perfect choice to show politeness and hospitality. Let's look at a few examples. 1. Would you like a piece of cake? 2. Would you like some fruit? 3. Would you like to try this new dish I've prepared? Remember, when we talk about something specific, we often use a or an, such as a piece of cake. But when the food is more general, we can use some, such as some fruit. The phrase, "would you like," also works very well when you're offering drinks. Here are some examples. 1. Would you like a glass of water? 2. Would you like some coffee? 3. Would you like another beer? In this context, you can use a or an when offering a specific quantity, like a glass of water, and some when offering a type of drink generally, like some coffee. Knowing how to respond to these offers is equally important. If you want to accept the offer, you can simply say, "Yes, please." If you want to politely refuse, you can say, "No, thank you." If you want to give a more detailed response, that's fine too. For example, 1. Would you like a piece of cake? Yes, please. I love cake. 2. Would you like some coffee? No, thank you. I've already had enough. That brings us to the end of our lesson today. Remember, using "would you like" is a polite way to make offers or ask about preferences, especially regarding food and drink. Practice using and responding to "would you like" in different contexts to improve your conversational English. We hope this video has been helpful. As always, keep practicing and happy learning.